Well, you can't say that they didn't warn you.
If we cut one position, if we close one station, if we close one resource, the residents of Los Angeles are going to pay the ultimate sacrifice, and someone will die.
Just last month, fire personnel packed an LA Fire Commission meeting, begging the city to rethink the budget.
These cuts came at exactly the wrong time, with calls for services at an all-time high and our firefighters at their breaking point.
We are straining our department's resources beyond the brink, and we cannot continue on this path.
This video was taken just 21 days before the wildfires happened in Los Angeles. This was an LA Fire Commission meeting. And as you can see, LA Fire personnel had jammed up the meeting in order to let this commission know that the budget cuts that Karen Bass was proposing for fire services was extremely life-threatening and dangerous to the city of Los Angeles, and that they were stretched thin already as they were. And this was less than a month before the wildfires broke out. And as a result, we saw what happened. They were not prepared, and they were understaffed and under budget to conquer or tackle something like these wildfires. So they had warned Karen Bass. She went ahead with the budget cuts anyway. She's trying to backpedal now and say that they were not budget cuts and that there was something else. But the truth is, they were understaffed. They were under budget. They needed help. They were warning the city, and they didn't listen. And it's amazing to me how Karen Bass has not been recalled yet.